If you love Greek salad the way I love Greek salad, then I am going to bring it to you today, but with a twist. Hello everyone, I am Deborah, bringing you another low-carb recipe that you can use whether you are following a low-carb diet or not. If you're new to my channel or if you are joining me but not yet subscribed to my channel, please do the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below, and remember to hit that notification bell so that you will always be informed of when I upload new content. You guys, super excited about this recipe because I absolutely love salads, especially this time of year, but I also love bringing new ideas to my recipes, which is exactly what I'm going to bring you today. So you guys, I am taking the concept of a Greek salad and I am going to bring it to you in a salad boat, where I am actually taking the lettuce, using it as a container, and I will be filling it with the same ingredients that you would use to put together a Greek salad. So you guys, without further ado, get all of the ingredients together, come in close, and I am going to show you how to put it all together coming up next. For our vinaigrette, we are going to start with some extra virgin olive oil, which I already have in my mixing container. And to that, we're going to add some red wine vinegar, some spicy mustard, some lemon juice. Some minced garlic, some oregano. And you guys, this oregano I actually grew in my garden and dried it. It smells amazing, and so excited about this. So these are the actual leaves, and I'm going to need to crush them. So what I can do is I can put them in a mortise and tenon, or I can just put them in my hands and rub them together until I break up these leaves. So as you continue to rub your hands together, these leaves are starting to crush. All right, into the bowl these go. And if you wanted a little bit sweet, you guys, you can put some sugar-free honey in it if that is what you prefer. So let me go ahead and put this in here too. And now we're just simply going to whisk. Okay, as you guys can see, this has gotten nice and creamy, and only thing you want to do is go ahead and give this a taste just to see if you need any salt in it. This is to my liking. So you guys, the only thing left for me to do is to put it into my serving container, and then we are going to move on to putting the salad boats together. Okay, you guys, now that our vinaigrette is put together and I poured it off into the serving container, let's go ahead and set this aside, and we are going to put together our salad boat. So we're going to start with some lettuce, which is going to serve as our container. All right. And to it, we're going to start layering in our ingredients. So I'm going to start with the cucumber. Now the cucumber I already cubed, and I put some salt on it for flavor, and then also the longer it sits, you will see that it will actually extract some of the liquid from it. Okay, next, some red onion, tomato, some black olives, and some feta cheese. And finally, our dressing. And here we have it. A Greek salad-inspired salad bowl, ready to enjoy. Okay, everyone, let's eat. Lord, I thank you. You guys, not much to say here other than get all of the ingredients you need to put this deliciousness together and try it for yourselves. And once you do, you will want to share this recipe as well with family and friends. Absolutely phenomenal is this. The ingredients are fresh. The dressing is homemade, so you get to control everything that goes into it. And again, you guys, what is better in the summer than a fresh, delicious, wholesome salad? Give it a try. And when you do, please do leave in the comments that you did. And remember to give this video a like and a share. And also, you guys, please do me the honor of pressing that subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel, where you will find more recipes just like this. Thank you guys so much for being here. And remember, it is a great day, and you make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. And enjoy.